Hey, y'all. I'm Paula Deen. You know, here in Savannah, we enjoy spending a lot of time by the water. So today, I'm going to be going outside and I'm going to have a riverside party. Hey, y'all. I want to share with y'all something that we do here in Savannah. Every Saturday of a new month, we have what we call First Saturday on River Street. The restaurants bring their food out into the streets. You have cold beer. You have all kind of good food. You have artists doing their drawings out on the street. You have entertainment. It may be a juggler. It may be a man playing a guitar and singing. But this is just like one big block party. So Michael and I got to talking the other day and we said, you know, well, why can't we have our own First Saturday out here on our little piece of the river? So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm so glad that y'all are with me because I'm going to be cooking up food that's just pure fun to eat. There's a lot going on out here in this yard today. I hear Nick and Jody over there spraying for bugs. Planes are flying over, boats are going by, Cody's swimming, Otis and Sam are just running around barking and acting crazy. But even with all this going on, I've got to share a quick tip with y'all. I'm going to turn a pitcher of ordinary lemonade into a really, really nice gingery pitcher of lemonade. And to do that, I'm going to start with 1 gallon of boiling water. I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar to it. I'm going to add 10 slices of fresh ginger. I love fresh ginger, and I've only just recently have become a big fan of it. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of fresh lemon juice. Just going to pour those 4 cups of fresh juice, and I saw the seeds go in with it. I'm going to let this come to a boil, and then I'm going to pull it off and I'm going to let it cool, and then I'm going to pour it in a pitcher. And I'm going to serve that over ice with a round of lemon and a twig of mint. Cheers. I think you're going to love it. We have had such a good time today out here with the kids and the animals and the birds and everything that's going on. And you know, hush, Sam, hush. Sam wants to talk, excuse me, y'all. But the calamari is so delicious, and it's just perfect for being out here on the water. And the candied apples are so good. But the cinnamon rolls, y'all, they are just truly wonderful. Oh, and my goodness, look behind me. That's the flying cloud. That's Mike Sullivan, my shrimping friend. I think I'm going to take him an apple out there, and I think I'm going to take me a cinnamon roll. Cody, you want to go swimming? Come on. Come on, buddy. Let's go swimming. Hey, Mike. How are you? Get it, Cody. Get it. Get your ball. I got you an apple. How can I get it to you? Look, Mike. Here we go. So much. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.